everyone, this is Mr. Tom White. He's the Director of Economic Development Partnership at the North Carolina State University.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my wife went to that school for a year and a half. Well, we live here in 1995, 96, 97, so I feel like home. Anyway, Tom, can you tell me what do you want to share with the public about VinFast and how it's impact your life in general?
This is an outstanding investment. It's record-setting, as Governor Cooper said. This is a phenomenal capital investment, and the 7,500 great-paying jobs in automotive assembly in a renewable energy application is just an extraordinary commitment by VinFast to the state of North Carolina, and we are all totally excited about the opportunities that are going to be forthcoming from the construction of this wonderful facility.
Okay. So do you have, how is the VinFast have a direct impact to your campus and your students?
Yeah, our students are looking forward to internships and externships, co-op opportunities, and obviously the great paying jobs. We have the third largest engineering school in the United States with 11,000 students, 7,500 undergrads, 3,500 graduate students. So we're really excited about mechanical and aerospace engineers, industrial and system engineers, electrical computer engineers. They're great jobs with a great industry.
Okay. So have you had a chance to sit in one of the VinFast car yet?
We have last March when the announcement was made, March of 2022, and it's a wonderful vehicle.
Oh, okay. So I hope VinFast will have some of those vehicles available in North Carolina, and I hope you or one of your students gonna be one of the VinFast owners.
We're looking forward to that very much indeed.
Okay. Hi, Tom, do you have anything else you would like to share with the American and the Vietnamese American, or even the Vietnamese in Vietnam who very eager to know how VinFast is doing, develop in the state or invest in the state of North Carolina? What do you have to say? What do you want to share with?
Well, I've been fortunate to have many Vietnamese friends over the last 30 or 40 years, and it's a wonderful country with exceptional people. So this is an exciting, we see it as a joint venture here. And in the state of North Carolina, it's great for the United States as well. So we're really excited about all of the partnerships and collaboration that's going to be forthcoming.
Okay. So, Tom, what do you think about the leadership of VinFast, the one that you have seen or you have met?
Chairman Tweed was fantastic. The remarks that were made today, having the ambassador here says a lot about the commitment of the entire country. It's a wonderful partnership, and we have a coalition for global competitiveness here. We're a state that has a long history of being friendly to international development. That makes it even more exciting.
Okay. And one last question, maybe, have you been to Vietnam?
I have not, but I'd like to go.
Okay. Another question. Have you eaten Vietnamese food in Raleigh?
I have eaten Vietnamese food from my friends, and I know it's spicy and hot, but it's delicious. There's also lots of good vegetables.
Oh, okay. Anyway, Tom, thank you very much for your time.
It's wonderful to meet you.
And nice to meet you.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Have a good day.
I know.